With Robbins Financial's free mobile app, members have the most convenient banking at their fingertips, no matter where they are. Let's take a look at the main features. When you first log in, you'll see a summary of your accounts, with balances listed for each one. If you tap an account, you'll immediately see your transaction history. Back on the home screen, you'll find most of the mobile banking features under the menu button in the upper left corner. The first thing you'll see is the Transactions and History tab. Here you can transfer money from one account to another, or do member-to-member transfers with a couple easy taps. Under the next tab, Products and Services, is where you'll find most of our features. Here you can pay bills and even track your expenses with our convenient Money Manager. You can also see your monthly statements here, create alerts so you can be notified about various transactions hitting your accounts, and much more. Under the next tab, Self-Service Options, is where you can manage all of your security, account, and contact preferences. Need to open an account or order new checks? You'll find that under the Accounts tab. Click the Cards tab to activate a card, report a card lost or stolen, or request a new PIN. Next, you'll find the Loans tab. This is where you can pay off a loan or see if you're eligible to skip your next loan payment. Looking for a Robbins location near you? Simply click the Branches tab to open the Location Finder to find any Robbins Financial Credit Union branch or ATM. Need to chat with a Robbins representative? We've made it easy. The Messages tab allows you to send a secure message so we can offer assistance. There are a couple more basic items under Menu, including the Log Off option for when you're done mobile banking. And if you want to return to the home screen, simply tap the Home button at the top of the menu. Directly across from the Menu button in the upper right corner is the More button. You can make transfers from here, but it's also where you can begin paying bills with a couple simple taps right from your mobile device. You can download the Robbins Financial app for free in the App Store or Google Play Store and start experiencing just how convenient mobile banking can be. To find out more, simply call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.